Hello friends, is your car showing a check engine light, consuming more fuel, or failing emissions tests? If you've scanned your vehicle and found P0424, then pay close attention. This code is related to the heated catalytic converter, an important part of your car's emission system. If ignored, it can lead to higher emissions, poor fuel economy, and reduced engine efficiency. In this video, I'll explain what P0424 means, its symptoms, exact sensor locations, and how to fix it. Let's get started. What is P0424? The P0424 error code stands for Heated Catalyst Temperature Below Threshold Bank 1. Some vehicles have a heated catalytic converter which helps reduce emissions by reaching optimal temperature faster. The ECU monitors this system using temperature and oxygen sensors. If it detects that the catalyst is not heating up properly, it triggers P0424. Common symptoms of P0424 include the check engine light being on reduced fuel efficiency, rough idling or sluggish acceleration, an unusual exhaust smell like rotten eggs or a strong fuel odor, and a failed emissions test. If you notice these issues, let's find the key components responsible for this system. The P0424 code is related to the heated catalytic converter and its monitoring sensors. Their locations may vary, but typically you'll find them here. The heated catalytic converter is located in the exhaust system, between the exhaust manifold and muffler. The upstream or pre-cat oxygen sensor, also known as O2 sensor 1, is found before the catalytic converter in the exhaust manifold or downpipe. The downstream or post-cat oxygen sensor, known as O2 sensor 2, is found after the catalytic converter, monitoring its efficiency. The catalyst temperature sensor is mounted on or near the catalytic converter to track temperature levels. And finally, the wiring and fuses for the heated catalyst system are typically located in the engine bay fuse box or near the catalytic converter wiring harness. Here's a tip. The exact location may differ based on your car's make and model. Check your service manual for precise details. Let's talk about the common causes of the P0424 error code. First up, a faulty heated catalytic converter. If the internal heating mechanism fails, it just won't reach the required temperature. Then, we have bad oxygen sensors. Faulty pre-cat or post-cat O2 sensors can provide incorrect readings. Another cause could be a defective catalyst temperature sensor. If this sensor fails, the ECU may not detect proper catalyst heating. Wiring or relay issues are also common. Damaged wires, corroded connectors, or a blown fuse can prevent proper operation. Finally, a rich or lean fuel mixture can be a problem. Issues with fuel injectors, the MAF sensor, or the ignition system can affect catalytic converter performance. So how do you fix the P0424 code? Well, here are the first 3 steps. Step 1. Use an OBD-II scanner to confirm the P0424 code and check for any related codes. Step 2. Inspect the oxygen sensors for slow response or carbon buildup. Replace them if they're faulty. And Step 3. Check the heated catalytic converter for any damage, clogging, or poor performance. Step 4. Test the catalyst temperature sensor using a multimeter. Replace if necessary. Step 5. Inspect the fuses, relays, and wiring for damage. Repair or replace any faulty connections. Step 6. Clear the error code using an OBD-II scanner and test drive the car. The P0424 error code can cause poor engine performance, higher emissions, and reduced fuel efficiency. If your car has this issue, make sure to inspect the heated catalytic converter temperature sensor and oxygen sensors to fix it properly. For more car troubleshooting guides, check out these videos next. P0130, Oxygen Sensor Circuit Malfunction, Bank 1 Sensor 1, P0131, O2 Sensor Circuit Low Voltage, Bank 1 Sensor 1. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more car repair tips.